12 inches again. Right, instead of making this straight, let's give this a curve. Just a little curve. I hope I haven't shown too much cleavage. So let's just say that's it. So I'll cut that out. That's the front. Doing half of this, you get the picture. There we go. Yeah. Let me go iron this fabric. There's a bit I ironed. Whoops, I forgot to draw it, didn't I? Where's my pencil? Forgot to show you, didn't I? Wow. There's the dart. There's the top part there. And there's the bottom bit there. One there, one there. One there, one there, and there. So let's line this up here. There, that there, and that there. I went a bit overboard, but let's do something with that. So let's just say, so that you can see it. There we are. I got a bit carried away, but I put a dart in it both sides. She's got small breasts, so that's great. Use less fabric. Let's go fancy. I'll put a point down at the front so it looks nice. Why not? It's my design. I'm not sure how well this fabric will take it, but I want it to go, yeah, do an imprint through both of the fabric so that I know where to stitch the darts. So let's see if it's worked well now that I've taken all this out. It's gone through one, but I can't see it through this side. Yeah, I can't see it. Okay. Other than that, a butterfly is what you need to do. Butterfly it. Yeah, let's see if I can stitch this up. Now, can you see this little cami top I've made for you? Yeah, so I've made just a little cami top for you, just a quick one. And now I'm going to attach the sleeve on it for you. One side, let's put this one there. Let's put that there. Now I've gone through this extreme. It looks lovely, doesn't it? Look at it, all waste of fabric. Oh, looks beautiful. So anyway, I've gone through all this. So what it is now, is the question was how to put what's it, spaghetti sleeve or spaghetti something. I'll have to look at it, right? Which was the piping that goes around here and which actually eventually goes around the sleeve. Can you see that? So that was the question. So the sleeve I've left open because I don't want to stitch up the sleeve yet together, because when you put this and the back on, then you stitch this going around from here all the way onto this and the back. So let me stitch it now. Let me stitch it now, because it's easier if I just did this here, stitch these two together. It's easier to do that and have it open so you can stitch the piping going around. And not only that, I see as well that I should have made more gathering on the sleeve. Should I have? Yeah, just a little bit more so it can fit. But you know what? I could also just open that up to make it actually fit. So here's the center. That goes on there. That goes here. And this goes, yeah, it's not far off. It's only like half an inch out. So let me just gather this up a little bit more. And then stitch this on. Yep, so I'll do that. So I'm going to stitch from this section under the arm to that, but I'm going to tie, yeah, to that, under the arm, and then that continues around. Okay.